Hi guys, how are y'all doing today? I am going to start our phonics lesson today with the alphabet. I'm not sure if everyone's done this, but we've done it in my class a few times. If you'll make a big X with your body, we're going to say the alphabet, but we're going to cross over and touch our toes on each alphabet, or on each letter. Okay, are you ready? Let's say it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, guys, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. We like to sing a song to help us remember our vowels. In our classroom, we sing, I'm out of breath, Old MacDonald, and we use the vowel sounds at the end. We sing Old MacDonald had a farm, A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. What are the other letters called? Consonants. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do an activity. I'm going to say a word. You're going to echo the word. And then I'm going to tell you to change part of the word. Say snowshoes. Now say snowshoes. Say snowshoes. Now change the shoes to man. Snowman. Say any place. Now change the place to where. Anywhere. Now say everyone. Change the one to thing. Everything. Now say grandfather. Change the father to mother. Grandmother. Say playground. Change the ground to pin. Playpen. Say bookmark. Now change the mark to worm. Bookworm. Say cowgirl. Now change the girl to boy. Cowboy. Great job, guys. We are going to review our digraphs now. Tooth. Ooh. Hook. Feather. Thimble. Duck. Cheese. Sheep. E. Shark. Shh. Good job. We are going to work on writing some of our sounds. We are not going to do the whole page. I bet you some of you are excited that we're not going to do the whole page. I am going to just do 12 of the sounds. Give me just a second while I get this out. Okay, hopefully you can see this. The light is pretty bright in here. Okay, we're going to write the sound on number 1 that says, or write the letters on number 1 that says, that say shh. So shh is a digraph. We're going to write those letters on number 1. The letters are S, H. Now, to make this a little bit more difficult, I'm going to say a word, and I want you to write the sound that I ask you to write. I may ask you the first sound or the initial sound. I may ask you the middle sound or the medial sound, or I may ask you the end sound, the final sound. Say the word with. With. I want you to tell me what the sound is at the end of the word, the final sound. So let's sound that word out again. W, I, th. Oh, we hear the th sound. So on number 2, let's write the letters that say th. And it's a digraph. Digraph, T-H. Digraph, T-H. Number 3. I want you to write the initial sound, which means the first sound that you hear in the word wagon. Wagon. The first sound I hear is w. When you write your letters, we write the capital and the lowercase right now, trying to work on both of them. So I'm going to write the capital W and the lowercase w. You may not have done it this way in your classroom, but this is just going to give us a little bit extra practice right now while we are working from home. Number 4, I want you to write the last sound you hear, or the final sound that you hear in the word hill. Let's stretch that word out and hear all the sounds. I, O. Oh, the last sound is O. Let's write the letter that says O. You're right, that's an L. We're going to move to number 5. On number 5, I want you to write the sound that you hear at the beginning, the initial sound, in the word jar. Jar. So I hear J. Write the letter that says J. You're right, it's a J. Don't forget that the lowercase j is a fall letter and it needs to fall below the line. Number 6. We're going to figure out what the middle sound is, the medial sound in the word for number 6. I want you to say the word cup. Now let's stretch it out. K, p. What'd you hear in the middle? So you're going to write the sound that you hear in the middle of the word cup. You're right, it's a U. Number 7. I want you to write the sound that you hear at the beginning of the word boy. Boy. B. What says B? B. Number 8. I want you to write the sound that you hear at the end of this word. the final sound. I want you to write the sound that you hear at the beginning of hiss. Like a snake says, hiss. Let's stretch it out. S. What is that sound at the end? S. Write the letter that says S. Look, you're right, it's an S. Number 9. I would like you to write the sound that you hear in the middle of this word. Cat. So we're looking for the middle or the medial sound. Let's stretch it out. K, a, t. What did you hear in the middle? Ah. Write the letter that says ah. You're right. The letter A. Number 10. Write the sound that you hear in the initial position, the first position of the word goat. Goat. G is what I hear. I'm going to write the letter that says G. It's the G. You're right. And don't forget, there's another fall letter. Make sure he falls below the line. Number 11. I want you to write the sound that you hear at the final position, at the end of the word. Say the word ham. Now let's stretch it out. I hear at the end. So write the letter that says The letter M. I know you guys are probably doing amazing. Number 12. It's the last one we're going to do. I want you to write the letter that you hear at the end of the word, the final sound. I want you to write I want you to repeat this word. Say fox. Now let's stretch that word out. X. What do you hear at the end? X. So write the letter that says X. X. You're right. So that's all we're going to do on this page. If you want to, you can put an X and mark out the others. Now flip your paper over and you're going to see some pictures. Now, we're not going to spell the same, we're not going to spell the word beside the picture, okay? We're going to spell a word here on this side, and then you're going to find the picture. So the first word we're going to spell is chip. So say the word chip. Now let's stretch it out. Ch, I, p. Did you hear at the beginning there's a digraph? I hear ch. What letters say ch? You're right. C, H. Ch. I. What do you hear in the middle? I. What says I? I. Chip. The final sound is P. We know what says that. It's a P. Chip. So draw a line from the word chip to the chocolate chip right here. Draw a line from the word to the picture. Number 2. We are going to spell the word tooth. Say tooth. Now let's stretch it out. T, oo, th. It has 2 digraphs. But first, our first sound is T. What says T? T. Now we hear the digraph. Ooh. What 2 letters say ooh? O-O. And the final sound in tooth Is the digraph th? What says th? TH. We spelled the word tooth. Draw a line from the word tooth to the picture of the tooth. Number 3, we're going to spell the word fish. Say fish. Let's stretch it out. F-I-sh. Fish. The first sound I hear is f. We know what says f. That's F. And in the middle of the word fish, f-I-sh. I heard an I. What vowel says I? The I does. And at the end of the word fish, I hear sh. What digraph says sh? S-H. We spelled the word fish. Now draw a line from the word fish to the picture of the fish. Number 4, we're going to spell the word tree. Oh, I hear a consonant blend at the beginning of tree, and I hear a digraph at the end. So let's see what that consonant blend is. Tur. Tur. Let's pull that apart. We've got t-er, T-R. T-R is that consonant blend you hear at the beginning of tur. And what digraph did we just learn last week says E? E-E. You're right. E-E. Now we spelled the word tree. Draw a line from the word tree to the picture of the tree. Number 5. We're going to do the word duck. Stretch it out. D-U-C-K. Duck. The first sound I hear is D, D. And we know that is a D. D, D. What vowel says A U. And we get to write another digraph. What digraph says K? C-K. You're right. Digraph C-K. Make sure you're using lowercase letters on these words because we're not writing a sentence where we need to start it with a capital, and we're also not writing names that need to start with a capital letter. So make sure you're practicing doing this with all of your lowercase letters, whether they're tall lowercase or small lowercase or fall lowercase. Make sure you're working on your handwriting too. Draw a picture from the word duck to the picture of the duck. Last one. You're almost done. I made a rhyme. Say book. Now stretch it out. B-k. Book. First sound I hear is B. B. And we put our hand out like a hook when we say So in the middle of book, I hear What digraph says Oh, oh. Very good. And at the end of book, we have the k sound, and it's going to be the K. Draw a line from book, the word book, to the picture of the book. You guys did great today. Read these words below with your mom or your dad or your brother or your sister, or whoever's there. Read those to them. Practice reading those words. And y'all enjoy your morning. Miss you guys. Bye.